I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and locating Translate. This is the gateway to language management. Once there, tap Translate to see installed languages and toggles. Make sure your iPhone runs a compatible iOS, otherwise you won't see language options. If cellular or Wi-Fi is required for downloads, verify your connection now. This step gets you into the correct menu quickly, so you can add languages without hunting through unrelated settings or the App Store. Now you add languages. Open the languages list and tap a language to view details, then choose Download to make it available offline. You do this because online translation can be slower or unavailable. Offline packs give instant results. Make sure you have enough free storage before starting downloads and prefer Wi-Fi to save data. Once a download begins, watch the progress indicator. Pause or cancel if space or network becomes an issue. Finish by testing each newly added language. Speak or type simple phrases to confirm accurate recognition and speech output. If a language fails to work, delete its offline pack and re-download it. This often clears partial downloads. Make sure Translate permissions, microphone, are enabled and that your device has the latest iOS. Updates fix language bugs. If problems persist, restart your iPhone. That resolves most transient issues and ensures the Translate app registers the new languages properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.